What's going on, guys? So we're doing a random video. We just picked up Nicholas. We got little Seth with us, big Seth, and right now he's taking us reminiscing of his old housing when he was a kid. We're in Bangor housing.
Cape Hart.
Cape Hart. Whoop, whoop. Where am I going?
Just straight.
Is this Bald Drive?
Bald Mountain
Yeah,
Drive.
we used to live on this one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, when the kids were little.
Yeah, I lived at 68.
Yeah, that's where we lived.
Nuh-uh.
Right up here?
Dude, I swear.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. No, I lived 68 Bald Mountain Drive for like fucking...
Yeah, this first one?
Nope, second.
Oh, we were in 66.
Yeah, see, mine was 68.
Oh, no shit.
Nobody's living there.
Yeah, that's where Nicholas fell on his little tractor and cracked his head wide open and still got a scar from it.
Yeah.
All right, folks, we'll see where we end up next.
Look there.
Thanks for watching Outdoors there. All right, so while we're out and about, we decided we're gonna go look at the water. There's a bunch of different locations and some ice conditions type deals. I'm missing my hat today, but that's all right. So right now we're in Bangor. This is the Kenduskeag Extreme.
Griffin Road, Bangor.
Griffin Road in Bangor. Bridge 3301. She's roaring. Quite a bit of water.
Oh, this side is calm.
Yeah, this side's calm compared to that side. It's pretty high though. It was way down when we were down there.
Look at the tent over there. Yeah.
All right, well that's the Kenduskeag Extreme. We'll see where else we end up. Next stop on our tour, we are at... I couldn't hear you. The tour guide's not being a very good tour guide.
Valley Ave, Bangor, Maine. Kenduskeag Street.
So yes, what he said. And we're just getting some more conditions. There's ice on the walkway, so if you're gonna come up here to go for a walk, be careful. There's a crack lighter on the ground. I love it. It looks like Christmas ornaments hanging from the ends of the trees.
Slide right down into the fucking river.
Do it.
Let's try this.
Do it. Slide from up top.
Who's going first?
Did you get that for Christmas?
I also got these.
Nice.
He's going right to the room. I didn't know what to beat you, so I guess.
Well, let's do it. We're big kids at heart. Here we go. That's pretty scary because you come down, you don't know how fast you're gonna go. Your turn. He's got the worst boots.
That was great.
That Dad's right. It's like once you get to here,
Don't get soaking wet.
you don't know where to go. You need to get a running start and dive.
All right, let's just walk down here just a little bit. She's going pretty good.
Just throw it up.
Don't do that. It's the 11th. He didn't tell me he was gonna throw my camera.
Do it down here.
All right, guys, we're gonna head to another spot, see what we see. Just out gallivanting, checking places out. All right, guys, we've been here this summer. This is what they call Lover's Leap Park. You can see the homeless are taking over all the mountainsides.
That was never there, never.
Nice ice shelf over there. If you go back to my videos, you can see this dry. Well, not dry, but down a lot.
You see the big old thing.
Yeah. The ice shelf's pretty sweet. We are in downtown Bangor. Is the beautiful Bangor Christmas tree.
It really doesn't look that good.
They glorify this town a lot. I mean, it's alright, but it's not the cream of the crop. Let's go visit. Alright, so we're in downtown Bangor.
Ice there.
This is all going to the Penobscot.
That's littering.
I wonder if you can fish this. We could have came right here and magnet fished.
Well, this is like if we had canoes and kayaks and shit, this would be the place I'd want to go. It's this whole stretch because it's all a basin that they made pretty much.
Yeah.
From here all the way.
I'm pretty sure if we're out there, there's nothing they can do
No,
about
there's
it.
nothing. No.
How do we
And
get
wouldn't
in
it be
there?
really cool to go underneath these bridges and shit?
Yeah.
Throw eggs at homeless?
As long as the current wasn't like this.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a little tough. You definitely need to tie off somewhere.
We should
What?
stop and something.
That sounds like an interesting
You have
idea.
some white stuff now.
It's my cotton candy.
That's what they all say.
So, alright. That's pretty interesting. Let's go over to that bridge and...
Yeah, it's cotton candy.
Yeah, see that bridge that goes across? Is that a road?
It's a walkway.
Alright, folks. So, like I said, we're just messing around. But I'm seeing all kinds of cool possibilities. Future possibilities. But we wanted to walk over to this bridge. Seth, is that a walking bridge above us too?
Yeah. Instead of did you just say meth?
No.
You guys behave.
You can see the bottom on the other side.
Dad, tell Aaron what I just said.
No.
That's a US thing.
Alright, now if these guys are behaving. That's probably one of the bigger buildings in Bangor.
Wrecked building.
Alright, we're gonna head out of here and go to a new spot. Alright, we are here to get a picture of the Penobscot and the ice. Can we go right over there?
What's that? Yeah, I mean, you can walk down. This is probably be the place, right?
I'm just taking a couple pictures and heading out. There's quite a bit of ice flow. Look at that, just fell over there.
Just so I touch the back.
The tracks look funny.
Look at the garbage.
Walk here by the where across the road, it's even worse.
This is why I go to the woods other places. I don't come here to Bangor. I go to the woods. Look at all that garbage. But I guess it's impossible to it's impossible to keep up on when everybody and their brother just throws the garbage on the ground. The city would probably go bankrupt trying to keep up. All right, we're gonna head out of here and see where it takes us. There's a sea dog if you're up this way and you want to get drunk.
Dad worked there
Be free.
for 5 hours.
You did?
Yep. Left him a pile of dishes and said, peace out. Dude, that was nasty. It was all seafood and it was stinking. I was like, dude, I'm just not having it. That was like probably like 7.
Bangor waterfront. Should stop here for a second.
This is the waterfront.
All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Don't tempt me, I will. Look at the hamster cage. They have a concert.
Yeah. Oh, it's over there.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I didn't even know they built that thing.
Yep.
Wow. So it tells you how much I go to Bangor. The last time I knew it, they did it here.
Yeah, that's fucking 8 years ago.
Oh, that was going fast.
When the icebreakers come up here, that's another good time.
Yeah.
I enjoy that. Just rise up on it, kind of settles.
We actually went.
That'd be a cool job. What do you think?
Who's the first one to jump down?
I don't know, but I probably saw this ice right here. Yeah, this.
Right here. Whip it out.
There's a camera watching me do
Really? Where? No, that's fine.
It's flowing.
it. See nothing for me.
This is the Penobscot. It's not so trashy over here. That's the casino.
Let's go. Let's go gamble.
Casino where?
Oh,
Over there?
over
Dave
there.
said hi.
Yo. All right, there's dog number 5. We're gonna head out of here. New spot.
He said hi to me or not.
Ah, cool compass, huh?
Come on, son, give us your history
there's
lesson.
something over, they took it down, but it was Estamar Gomez Park or something like that.
Oh yeah.
And it had like a same kind of compass, but anyways, they took it down because he was such a bad guy back 1600s or something.
Yeah, they took it down recently too.
Yeah, he was like,
So they must have this down, like, sort of accurate, right?
yeah.
Got north, over here, south, east, and west.
You went the wrong way. North, east, south, west.
I was going with the...
It's too big for this to search for.
No, it like slides over right there. There it is. There was a compass in here, I swear. Right there. See, we're good.
North is over there.
Yep. See that? Showing north over there.
So that means south is that way, right?
Yep.
No. South is.
I was like, lessons.
All right, we'll see where we go next.
Never.
All right, so we dropped Seth and them off, and we're back here in Newport. Gonna go into Walmart, get some food, and then we're going home. So that was a quick little video of some rivers and stuff around Bangor while we was up that way. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.